You are a security surveillance solutions provider. You need to deploy a surveillance project in an area without a fixed power source. You are looking for flexible, effective, and competitively priced mobile security solutions. Introducing the solar-powered security camera trailer from Metal Solutions USA, a breakthrough in mobile security surveillance. No grid power or complex wiring needed. With our solar-powered security camera trailer, you can deploy your own physical surveillance platform solution instantly, anywhere, anytime, while ensuring the surveillance system operates effectively. The adjustable solar rack with lift kit integrates a smart actuator system, optimizing energy capture from high-efficiency 400W solar panels, ensuring continuous power. All energy storage systems are safely protected within the cabinet enclosure, made from high-quality carbon steel and finished with weather-resistant powder coating. It features 3-door access for easy maintenance and passive ventilation, ideal for hot environments. The system is mounted on a heavy-duty, single-axle carbon steel trailer, 3,500 pounds capacity, with spring suspension for flexible mobility and superior stability, ideal for construction sites, stadiums, farms. The 4-stage manual telescopic mast extends up to 20 feet, providing stable camera elevation without electricity, ideal for remote areas. By manufacturing directly at our factory in the USA, we cut out all intermediary costs, bringing you top-quality American products at competitive market prices. Seize the opportunity to break through and expand your market today with the solar-powered security camera trailer from Metal Solutions USA. Find more information at our website. And contact us now for special dealer pricing and to lead the mobile security era.